So now we are preparing a bread snack for kids. Add oil. So after the oil gets heated, let's add zira and mustard seeds. Now add finely chopped onion. Fry the onions until it changes to light pink color. Finely chop the capsicum. So you can see after 2 minutes the capsicum also became soft. So at this stage we'll add some finely chopped tomatoes. Now I will add some spices, red chili powder and salt, turmeric and dhania powder. So now add magic masala. So now add bread. Fry the bread until it changes into golden color. It take around 4 to 5 minutes. So at this stage we will add some coriander and lemon juice. Add lemon juice, coriander, off the flame. Let's serve.